Welcome back to Nugget Garage. This time we've decided to do a bit of a Q&A session, answer a few questions that we've been asked, and it's probably time we finally actually answer the questions. And the second reason is we actually had a massive computer fail and lost all of our videos, which you should be watching right now instead of this crap. So,
the first question is, where's all the videos?
Where's all the videos? They're gone. They're in the, I don't know, where do they go? Well, they're gone.
I'm paying a large sum of money for it to be recovered at the moment, which is kind of shit considering I spent 15 years in IT and I didn't have a backup.
Good job.
And they take a long time to edit because we're so crap behind the camera. You end up with tons and tons of little shots you've got to put together, and 15-minute video takes.
I'm a bit crap at editing, so it takes quite a while. So
we will improve. We will get some better gear.
Yeah, that's another thing we do have to get us some better gear.
We're going to try and commit to the weekly video, I suppose.
Yeah. So we're going to do a bit of a wrap up as well. This is our first year. I think we're getting better. I'm not sure.
It's debatable. I can watch them now. I couldn't watch them at the start.
Yeah, I don't know. I still can't watch them. Anyway, I'll answer a few questions. So, what do we do with Gary the Nug car? This guy, he's here.
Well, funnily enough, today we're actually going to go and take it to a track.
Finally.
So after that, depending on how many pieces it's in, it'll just probably hang on the wall.
Yeah, well, Ben's going to have a go, isn't he?
Yeah,
so it's going to be pieces.
It turns really good left. If there's right, we're going to die. And I'm pretty sure that track's, anyway. I think that track's mostly right, unless we go backwards in it.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll do that.
Reverse direction.
Might be a better idea. How many cars do we have?
How many you got?
Yeah, I don't know. I've got. I don't know. I think I got two KE10s. I got the VL. I got Statesman. Got the van, obviously. Oh yeah, the van. I don't know. I got a couple of HQs.
Don't even want to talk about
there's heaps. There's too many.
Mine, I got the Ute, the Turbo V8 truck,
the truck,
the Supra JZA80, the BMW E30, the 13BK20, the 2JK20, the pre-production A86, KE11,
200 series,
the 200 series, Cressida that we call Grandpa,
or Grandpa,
a few other things that I don't want to admit to owning in the background.
BS Commodores,
mostly Commodores.
Here's a collection of these.
Yep. All right, next question.
Next, favourite car. What's your favourite car of yours?
Depends on the time of the year. At the moment, it's the 13s for 1300 Falcon, which you probably haven't seen yet.
Which is what they should be watching now. So you just spoiled that
shortly.
Good job. Anyway,
other times of the year, I don't mind the turbo rotary Corolla. It just seems to keep on keeping on.
Yeah, that's cool.
And for a small part of the year, the 2J Corolla makes me happy. It's probably like for about 3 hours a year. What about yours?
So whichever one I don't have to look at or work on. So
none of them.
Well, most of them. They're all in the shed. Don't get looked at. I like the van because I use it a lot.
It does suit you. You do look like someone who drives around in a free candy van. The fastest car, obviously, for me is my 2J Corolla.
Yeah.
Chris.
Currently the van, actually.
Currently
because
the van.
I just sold the V8.
Once again, he's a little bit slow, so it matches him. It's the slowest car you own?
Well, a few of them don't go. KE26.
The slowest going car.
KE26.
Grandpa, my Cressida MX-83, which will change next year because I've got a 1GZ turning up for it.
Bedford Race, what happened to it? Well, I don't know.
Millsy just decided to keep moving the goalpost.
Yeah, didn't he?
We didn't expect to be racing a caged 730 rear wheel car that's lighter than both of ours.
You had that opportunity.
But in saying that, so far all he's done is run 11 something. So I reckon we're going to go out early next year and we're going to run 10s in all three of the commercials.
Yeah, that's the plan. Truck, ute and van. Try and get them out there. Although we do need converters. Like this needs a better converter.
No, we don't need converters. We just need nitrous. 3 nitrous kits.
Yeah.
We're going to get them from...
I'd like a better converter in the van.
Who's the guy out of Fast and Furious? Harry.
Harry.
We're going to get 3 kits from Harry.
3 kits from Harry's.
Over Christmas.
2 of the big ones. What's with all the heavy breathing? I don't know.
Well,
You
just in case you didn't notice, we're carrying probably a little bit of extra weight. And
no.
I used to be a smoker. And
Used to
I,
be.
and
How
I
much
got
you go? You
crappy-
gave up.
And I got crappy sinuses.
Yeah.
So you should hear me sleep.
Give it time, they probably will.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll see that in the Skid Factory video shortly. Yeah.
What else we got? Channel main. What's the channel about? The main thing is nuggets, like just cheap builds. We're not into
We're
big
kinda like
budget kind of stuff.
An ADD kid with a short attention span too. So whatever's shiny at the moment, we do something with. There's no structure or direction really.
They've probably picked up on that part.
Yeah. So whatever we have lying around.
Yeah, just cheap budget build stuff is fun, and because we're broadcasters, we can't afford anything else anyway. What have we got?
Someone said something about when are we going to get some merch?
Merch, actually, soon. I've actually just got the ball rolling on that. So we're going to get some shirts. We've got some stickers, but we'll get some more stickers and I'll get some shirts made up pretty shortly. So hopefully by the end of January or mid-January we'll have some there. Scott can build a store.
Yeah, I'll make a store.
And we'll actually get them up there and get them out.
Someone asked, how was your drag week? Which I'm assuming they're talking about
Drag Week 2019.
America?
Yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, I didn't go.
Oh,
That's the joke.
okay.
That's
So that sucks.
The Al and Woody and Benny joke.
So I'm guessing this is probably an Al question too. Who is the better driver?
Clearly me. Last time I raced a car, it worked.
I had my prime, it was just about 10 years ago. Now I just mostly fail. What's the next
Wes from Michigan. He actually asked what's wrong with the V6.
What's right?
Seriously, Dex? Come on.
Yeah. I just don't want to spend bulk money on an engine that's going to sound like arse and do nothing, really.
Yeah.
We still have that project and we can still do it.
Yeah, it is still kicking around the background. Something might happen with it.
Yep.
A340. So asking about specs for the Van Ute truck, all A340s.
All stock, all with modified valve bodies.
Yeah,
So-
they work. And
Yeah.
they've got an overdrive.
Contrary to popular belief, they can actually handle sort of 500 rear wheel quite reasonably. You just got to make sure they don't muck around getting into gear. That's what the valve body does.
Yeah, first or second gears.
And then obviously heat kills them. So if you go and have a big converter in there, everything runs hot. They don't last long.
You'd have a big.
Which is why it's better
Big
to use a
transfer.
small stock converter with nitrous than it is to go and put a 4 grand converter in them.
Yeah. Big trans cooler. It's a reasonably good help.
Someone asked DeWalt sponsorship ?
No.
Not really, but I have
No,
a friend
but they
who
should.
works there and he hooks me up to the nth degree.
Yeah, it's actually is really good shit.
Yeah.
So
It's real good gear, I love it.
safety stuff. Safety gear. Someone said something about
Oh, what's the go with that?
the
So back in the early
Grinder.
days, we actually gave a shit about what people said in the comment section,
yeah.
and a lot of it was to do with where's your safety this and where's your safety that, and we just started making it a thing to reply to somebody in the next video
Yeah.
something stupid.
Yeah.
That's
So,
what the
yeah.
80 were about, and the safety gloves and all that.
It's a
In case you didn't figure that out.
yeah.
What
What else we got? Audio issues. Yeah, we've had a lot.
When you were filming, gear. A friend of mine actually lived in Vietnam. He sent us 3 lapel mics because he couldn't hear what we were saying. And then, obviously, I had them in the wrong spot. They were rubbing on the neck, rubbing on the beard.
Yeah.
We're breathing heavy into them. Took us a while to figure out how to get it right,
Yeah.
which I think
Still can't.
we're still going. It's hanging on my shirt.
Next project. What is the next project? I don't even know because there is one that has been filmed and done, and you guys haven't seen it yet because you're watching this instead. So that'll be out soon. So that'll answer that question. But after that, I have no idea. It's because we're organised like that.
We've got 3 or 4 of them to do. Just
We've got heaps.
figure out which one we can do
Yeah.
and what you want to see.
Yeah. So anyway, got any ideas? I don't know. Put them in there somewhere.
I think the next one after the 13s or 1300 we'll do the truck, the ute, and the van in the Thames.
Get them out there and try.
I had a
and
crazy idea about trying to do it all in one night, which is possible, but we've
only got we've got 2 trailers, so that'll get 2 of them home.
That's right.
How do we get the third one home?
Just make sure one of them runs. See if 2 of them break, then we leave one out. Just don't run the third.
Good call.
What else is in here?
What have we got? I don't know.
Yeah, that's probably about it.
Yeah, I think there's probably plenty. If you got any questions, I don't know, put them in the comment section. Ask us. We do read it occasionally. We do eventually get back to you on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's about it. We're going to take this thing out and break it or something.
I forgot to put my phone on silent. See, we're good at this.
Ding.
So whoever that is, I'm going to kill him. And it's Will.
Will. Good job, Will.
Good job, Will.
Thanks, Will. May as well just walk in.
Yep.
All right.
Well,
that'll be a wrap up.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Haven't said that in about 10 videos.
Yeah.
So like and subscribe.
That's the thing. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
And ding the bell or something.
Yep.
Something about a bell.
All right.
Whatever.
See you next time.
See you on the next one.